નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, our next topic is Century, National Park and the Bioreserve. Which one? Century, National Park and the Bioreserve. Century, National Park and Bioreserve are established for the protection of the wildlife. Now dear children, why the Century, National Park and Bioreserve are established? These three things was established for the protection of the wildlife, and already we have learned about the different project of the government who started for the protection of the wildlife. All these three words are sound like synonyms. These three words, Century, National Park and Bioreserve, these three are the synonyms. Synonyms, you know very well, in Gujarati you say that samanarthi, pariyay shabd, but there is some difference among these three things, Century, National Park and Bioreserve. Let us familiar with them. And second most important things in this topic, this is the most important topic for the board examination, and that's why this is the important question for board examination. First they have to given about the information of Century. Human activity are permitted within the certain limit. It means in Century what happened, that human activities are given the permission with certain limits. Second, domesticated animal can be allowed to graze after due to permission from the authority. It means here the domesticated animal given the permission, but you have to take the permission from the authority for the grazing the animals. Third, wildlife sanctuary is established for the protection of some species. This wildlife sanctuary is established for the protection of some species. The sanctuary can be established by government after the certain process. It means this sanctuary can be established by the government after certain the process. That's why here the name of the sanctuary they have to given about the Periyar, Chandranagar, Itanagar. These all are the famous sanctuaries they have given the name. Now here dear children, they have to given about the major national park and sanctuary. Just you have to see in the map, wildlife sanctuary is there, bird sanctuary is there, national park is there. Like example, just you have to see here, this is the Velavadar is there, here the Gir is there. Same way here Sundarban is there, Kaziranga is there. This all are the important for the board examination. Kaziranga is there, Gir, after Velavadar, Nal Sarovar. It means here you have to given about the map of the wildlife sanctuary, bird sanctuary and the national park. After second, they have to given about the information of the national park. In national park, compared to the sanctuary, this is more protected. If you compare the national park with the previous topic sanctuary, then this is the more protected zone. More than one ecosystem included here. Here more than one ecosystem is included here. There is a complete ban on animal grazing. Here complete ban on animal grazing. Third, it is not centered around one species as it is in a sanctuary. In sanctuary what happened, that they have given the more priority to any particular one species, but in the national park they have not given the more priority to any one species. That's why here more species are to be the very safe in the national park, and they have to take care about it. It is establishment through the coordination of state and central government. This is the most important. The national park was establishment through the coordination among state and central government. Here they have to given about the name of the different national park located into the India. Kaziranga, Corbett, Velavadar, Marine National Park, Gir, Danchigam. These all are the important national park name. And out of them the Kaziranga is the most important. Where it is located? It is located near the Assam. After third one, they have to given about the bioreserve zone. It is formed according to the international norms. Dear children, what happened, that bioreserve zone, it is formed according to the international norm. Previous national park is established through the coordination among state level as well as the central government. Previous one you learn sanctuary, it is maximum control under the state government, but bioreserve zone is controlled according to the rules and regulation of the international. It means according to international norms. The purpose is to protect the physical and cultural diversity of any region. What was the purpose of bioreserve zone? To protect the physical as well as the cultural diversity of any region. Besides the vegetation, insect, land of that area, the lifestyle of the people living there is also protected. Here, they have to protect the vegetation, insect, land of that area and the lifestyle of the people who are living up. Special arrangements are created for the research and the training about the bioreserve. What happened there? Here the special kind of the training as well as the research work done into the bioreserve zone. In such proclaimed area, all external human movement are totally restricted. Dear children, this is the most important. Here the all proclaimed area, all kind of the human movements are totally restricted. Proclaim, it means jahir karna. What was the meaning of proclaim? Jahir. The average area of such zone is larger than 5,000 square kilometer. The average of bioreserve zone is near about 5,000 square kilometer. Nilgiri, Gulf of Mannar, Great Nicobar, Sundarban, Panchmandi, these all are considered to be the importance of the bioreserve of the nation. These all are the name of the bioreserve zones. The run of the Kutch of Gujarat was declared as the bioreserve zone in 2008. This is the most important. Run of the Kutch of Gujarat was declared as a bioreserve zone in which year? In 2008. For the protection of the special environmental condition. For the protection of special environmental condition. Dear children, now they have to given about the chart. In this chart, you have to see about bioprotection zone, national park and the sanctuary. In India, how many bioprotection zones are there? 18. National park, 103. Sanctuary, how many? 531. If you see the information of Gujarat, then bioprotection zone is 1, national park 4 and sanctuary is 23. It means the development process is inevitable. Inevitable, it means necessary. That's why we know that development process is necessary for the human beings. But along with it, it is necessary that we keep the mind its ill effect of the entire life system while the planning. It means whenever we are doing the progress, that time keeping our mind for the ill effect of the entire life system while planning up. Whenever one species is completely destroyed or in danger, the result of the disturbance in the food chain are far reaching up. What happened there? When any one species is in danger or the destroyed, at that time what happened? That the whole food chain is disturbance. In the food chain, every insect has the specific role, and we have already learned about that. In the food chain, you have learned in the science also that one food cycle is there, one food chain is there. Like example, cat is eating the mouse. So same way, so this kind of the food chain is there. If any one species is dangerous, then what happened? That or destroyed, then whole food chain of the insect of specific role was disturbed. If life is lost, the entire structure of experience of the disturbance. One species is removed, the natural system break down in a long run. Now what happened? If any one species is removed, then whole natural system break down in the long run. This effect reach man very late, hence we are not aware of it. What happened? That we cannot presently take care about it. That's why this is the necessity that we have to more aware about it. Those environmental dangers which we are following are the result of the carelessness development of the decades. Why this environmental dangerous is there? Because as a human beings, we all are the carelessness as well as the develop before the decades. It means it is our responsibility that we have to take care about the all kinds of the wildlife protection. If we have a plan for the development, there will be not be any problem. As a human being, it is necessary that we have done the development. There is not a problem, but we have a friendly approach with the environment is the need of the present day. What was the need of the present day? The present day need is the friendly approach with the environment. It means we have to take care about the environment. It is the need of the present day. Thank you for joining us